going to start, we're going to review the Fantastic Fries chip maker. I think I paid about $3 or $4 for this from a budget store. I will link a link below for this product or a similar one. Now, I know you can buy these off Wish for like either they're free or they're $1 or $2. I don't think they're as good a quality as this one, to be completely honest. Now, you can make chips with a knife and it's completely free, but if you're wanting something where it makes it look like French fries, then this is a gadget that you can use. I'm going to open the box. So I've still got mine wrapped. I have used this quite a bit, but I still wrap it in the plastic. I don't know why, but I just do. So it comes in two parts. You have one part with the blades. Now, the great thing about this one is these blades actually come out for easy cleaning. I'm not going to push them out, otherwise I'm going to cut my finger. But you can push these out and get them all nice and clean. And then you have the cover bit with these pop-ups which align with the blades of the cutting piece that push through your French fries. So I've got a cutting mat here. I'm going to put my blades on my cutting mat. Here I have 2 potatoes, so I've washed and cleaned them. In this case, I'm actually not going to peel them. You can peel them if you want to. So what you have to do is you're going to put your potato on top of your blades. Now, I've just pushed them in a little bit to steady them, and then all you need to do is put your cover on and start to push them through. Now, it shouldn't take a lot of effort to push through your potatoes. I've seen a lot of the cheaper ones and seen reviews for a lot of the cheaper ones where these blades here on this one that I've purchased are actually quite sharp. Like, they are very sharp. They seem to be very blunt, which means you can't push the potato through when you end up wasting time and money trying to get French fries made out of these. You also don't want to use a huge potato, because you'll have more trouble getting it through. Now, you do need to use a little bit of force with this, but here we have some great chips that we've made. I'm actually going to go ahead and cook these in the air fryer with a little bit of oil, salt and pepper and some rosemary. I've also been able to take out all the pieces for cleaning, so it makes really easy cleanup. I would not put these in the dishwasher. I would clean them by hand with just some hot soapy water. And you would cut up enough potatoes to make enough chips or French fries as you need for however many people you're serving. So I would say one medium-sized potato per person would be perfect. And all I'm going to do is, I've got all of my chips here. I'm just going to pour them into a bowl. Now, if you do want to see a review of the air fryer, which is one of my most favorite appliances in the kitchen, I've had mine for I think I've had mine for 4 years now, and we absolutely love it. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil, and then I'm going to add, so this is my all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to put a link above for how to make this. I always say that it's my all-purpose seasoning, but it's actually a Paula Deen recipe, which is great. It's a great seasoning. And then I just have some dried rosemary. If you don't have an air fryer, you can just mix this up and put them straight into the oven, and you'll have beautiful, delicious French fries. I will show you what they look like when I take them out of the oven so that you can see the final product come all together. Now, you don't just have to do potatoes. You can do sweet potatoes and other sort of root vegetables that you would roast with this cutter. There we go. I'm going to put these into the air fryer now, and I'll bring you back in a few minutes once they're done. Now, my hands are clean. Before you comment in the description box, they are washed, they are clean. one of the best tools in the kitchen is to actually use your hands, clean, wash, ready to go. Best tool in the kitchen. Here we have the finished product, some delicious crispy chips. They were made quickly, easily. You know exactly what went into them, and that's why I'm a big advocate for making chips at home as opposed to getting them out of a packet, because they pre-fry them in oils, which may not be as healthy as for you. You know exactly what you put in these. You can flavor them to whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and enjoy these for lunch with a little bit of tomato ketchup.